Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a collab video. I'm actually doing a Valentine's Day look collab with Tianna again. We've done a couple collabs before. I will link her channel and her video down below in the description. Make sure you go check out her channel, subscribe to her, subscribe to me, and let's just get on with this. So, don't mind my appearance right now. I've been in a little depression mode the last week. I literally have not gotten out of bed. I was supposed to go to work and I haven't played with makeup. I got a whole bunch of new makeup. Haven't even touched it. So today we're going to play with it. And I thought this video would be perfect to film right now because the new makeup I got has a lot of pink in it and I want this look to be a very pink sparkly look. We're definitely going to use some glitter because I got this purpley pinky glitter thingy. This guy right here. We're definitely going to use it. So, first things first, we need to do some brows. I'm going to do them off camera, and I will get back to you. Okay, so my eyebrows are having a day. I did not want to cooperate. My brow pomade is so hard, even though I've added like oil to it and like tried to soften it up. So if you guys have any tips or anything how to make your brow pomade a little not so hard, let me know. So we're going to move on. Now I need to pick which palette I want to use. I think I already know. Yeah, I already know. So I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is going to be my first time using this palette, so I guess I could also do a little bit of a review on it for you. So I'm really hoping for a pink look with obviously that glitter. So that's what we're going to aim for. This one here actually is a super fluffy brush, and we're going to take this color here. They don't have names, so it's just this light pink right here. And this is going to go all over my lid and pretty high up. You'll see. So this has a lot of kickback. I already know that from swatching it.
You are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. I don't usually go out this late at night.
I'm gonna go in with the next pink one, which is this one here. And we're gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna take a little bit of a smaller blending brush and kind of put this a little lower in the crease.
To the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move.
I'm now going to take an even smaller, stiffer blending brush, and we're going to take, we're going to start with this shade down here and then move on to this shade. They look pretty similar, but this one's just a little lighter. And we're going to put this in the outer corner here to kind of start deepening it up.
There's one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me.
And I'm going to take the blending brush again and kind of just blend it out a little bit.
Kick it with the hormones. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
And then we are going to go in with the next pink shade that I showed you and deepen up this outer part. I'm actually going to bring this color also really defined in the crease. I'm now going to go and take this darker one here, and I'm going to put this on the inner corner, and I'm going to use this brush here. And by the way, these are all my BH Cosmetics brushes that I'm using right now, because I haven't used them yet. So what are your guys' plans for Valentine's Day? I'm interested to know. I'm working, so I don't really have plans. So that's great. I worked last year too, so not too surprising. And I'm going to use the blending brush again. Just blend it so it doesn't look too harsh. Okay. I'm starting to feel like a flamingo. Okay, so now I'm gonna start putting on the glitter. So I'm gonna use the glitter glue. Actually, before I put on the glitter, I'm going to put on a little bit of pink on the middle because I'm gonna do kind of like a halo with the glitter. But I don't want to see skin. So I'm just going to do some pink in the middle here. Just like that. And then we'll be putting on, this is the Too Faced glitter glue. So it's obviously for my glitter. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. And then I'm just going to put some glitter in the lid. This is the BH Cosmetics glitter in Mermaid Mood, by the way. And then we're going to flip over the brush we used with the glue and use it just like that. Okay, so this glitter is not sticking very well to the glue. I'll keep working on it though.
Only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar. You should dance with me. You should get to know me. Keep it with the harmonies.
Okay, so you can see that eye is done. I'm gonna let it dry down before I wreck it, and then I'll blend out. So I will do the next eye.
You should dance with me.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not exactly a fan. I'm not sure what's happening with this glitter, but it does not want to go on my eye, which is weird. I'm gonna try using my finger and see if that makes a difference. Okay. I'm done with that. I'm gonna take that really kind of pointed pencil brush again, this one here, and I'm gonna put that darker shade and kind of blend it in. So the eyes are pretty much done except for like highlight and all that. So I'm gonna go and do my foundation, and I'll come back to concealer and the rest of my face and show you guys what I'm kind of doing with that look. But I will be back when I do my foundation. Okay guys, so I am back. So I did my foundation, and I actually did concealer under my eyes just kind of for the video I was doing, and I did use the Shape Tape Double Duty foundation. So if you want to see my review and first impressions on this, make sure to look out for that. But we are going to go on and finish the face. I'm gonna go in and use, since I used the Shape Tape concealer, I'll use it again, and I'm gonna put this under my nose on like some impurities, and on my chin because it's breaking out so bad. And then we're just gonna blend that all in. Okay, and now we're going to set the under eyes, and I'm gonna use the Tarte. Oh, it's gonna be a Tarte day apparently. This is the Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. I got this in pretty sure an Ipsy bag. So this is what we're gonna use. Going to let this sit a little bit, and we're going to set the rest of my face, and we're going to use the ColourPop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder. This is in the shade Light. And then the one thing with baking, if it comes off, that'd be really nice. Just gonna use a little bit of a smaller brush. Try to wipe it away. That part's done. We're gonna go back into eyes. We're gonna take that very pointed brush and we're going to do the dark pink underneath the eye. Eyes are done except for mascara and highlight, so we're gonna go back and focus on the face. So bronzer, I'm thinking of a really subtle bronzer because my eyes are so out there, so we're gonna use the Body Shop bronzing powder in 01, and we're just gonna do a really light bronze with it. This is the BH Cosmetics No View Neutrals. I can't do French, and it's French. If I can open it, there we go. So this is what I'm talking about. So you have these blushes down here, and actually, yes, I see what I'm going to use. So I'm actually going to mix these two right here. They look very good. Definitely very pigmented, I can tell by the brush, so we're going to go in with a light hand. Even going in with a light hand, that has a really good pigment, so. And then I'm just going to go over with the brush that had my powder on and gonna blend it out a little because that was a little pink. Okay, so now we need to finish the eyes and do highlight, and we're done. I feel like I'm cutting the top of my head off. I don't know. Mascara. So for mascara, I'm going to start with the Tarteist mascara. And then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational. My lashes are sticking because of the glue. It's kind of funny. Okay, and now we're doing highlight. Actually, we need lower lash mascara, so we're just going to use the Great Lash by Maybelline. And I'm not going to do falsies because I'm not a fan of falsies. My eyelashes are pretty nice by themselves. Adding falsies just makes me look really fake and I don't like it. Okay, for highlight, I have so many options. I kind of want to settle but bright highlight, so I think I'm going to use this one. This is the Physicians Formula Mineral Glow in Champagne. But then I want a really popping inner corner highlight, so I'm going to use the Fenty one, and I'm going to use this one right here. This is Girl Next Door. Okay. Last but not least, lips, and I want to use kind of my new ones, but none of these match. Okay, never mind. Ooh, that matches. We're gonna do this. So this is the Mellow Cosmetics Candy Floss Lipstick. We're gonna put this on. Okay, I suck at putting on lipstick, so don't mind me. But we are finally finished. I kind of feel like Barbie right now. So anyways, this is the final look. It is super pink, super Valentine's-y. I was zooming on the eyes. I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. It is so pretty. Definitely would never do this on a normal day. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, Tianna, for the collab once again. Really excited to see what you got to create, because I know that glitter you got that I'm really jealous about. I'm interested to see. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to smash the thumbs up button, subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video.
Think I can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide.